and big charms, so you can able to using the brush and brush it faster. So I'm gonna squeeze a little bit out from the precision glue gel. You can see that it still have a lot in there, even though that I can feel that it's almost empty. So I'm gonna seal on the top. If you see that whatever I'm placing on the top, I am sealing right on the top of the beads only. I do not touch the crystal. So I'm gonna go around with the crystal. If you're scratchy right here, you are going to seal it in, like squeeze just a little bit, that much. Little go a long way. I'm gonna do some of crystal right there. Like tiny little one on earth. I'm gonna add some beads right here on the middle of the flowers. Hold on. In the meantime, because the precision glue gel is really like helpful, because it can really seals in and adheres a smaller crystal, which is like SS3, SS4, SS5, SS6, and then the beads as well. I seal scratchy right here. I'm gonna seal it in. Same thing with this, same thing with this. Flash cure this one before I move on to the next one. So I'm moving everything. I don't think I use this one today. I just keep it here just in case. There you go. So moving on the next one, I feels really good. Oh, my crystal is falling out because it's maybe fall before I key it. I got another one to put it on. Okay, quick. Ah, Brazil, thank you. Hey, Nene. Do you like it? This is your request. Thank you so much, Chula. Is that LA Chula? Did I say?
Yep,
Chula Barbosa. Thank you so much.
She met you in ABF Chicago. She loved it.
Oh, thanks so much. Say hi, Helena. Thanks so much, everyone. Who's that on the Instagram, Facebook? Is it Mika? Is that Mika on YouTube? Ah, Mika. Thanks so much, Mika. So we're doing a black and white when you're asking. And here's the beads. Continue. Hold on. I need the rest. Oop. Continue with this. I'm gonna do seals on the bead. Don't seals on the top of the crystal. Seals on the bead. Seals on the bead. Hey, thank you, Brazil. I'm almost like you. Almost like, oh my goodness, when Nancy's gonna stop doing her like favorite skits of the glow in the darks and moving on the different colors. Here you go. You asked for it. I'm listening and I'm moving on. Well, still not moving on. Still love my glow in the darks, but I can do anything to make you happy. I can do everything to make a smile on your face. So here you go. Seal to make a smile on my face, because then it's not gonna tarnish buying a bleaching or cleanings, you know, or hand sanitize. And I wash my hands a lot. Seal the base to make sure the base is like seals on right here too. Just don't block this spaceship or the dish or whatever, spinning dish or spaceship, whatever you call that. It looks cute. Sorry if I miss any comments because I was working on the nails and I keep talking to you like you are like I'm listening to you. Seals right here had a little edges gap there. I'm gonna seal top of the beads, right here, and then right here, scratchy right there. I don't want to stuck the hands in there. And then going to the next one, same thing, seals right on the top of the metals beads, but not on the top of the crystal. I'm just sealing on the top of the beads and around the crystal. If yours crystal need like this one, I need to go around with the crystal right here, but not on the top, just around to make sure that you fill in all the gap that I needed it. All right, in here, scratchy right here, right here. Just don't squeeze it out yet. You're gonna do a little check, and you feel scratchy, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit out. Don't squeeze it too much, and it's gonna flood your crystals, taking away from the shine and the sparkle. So we are going to cure this for 60 seconds.